All right. So that break of hour 59 right there, right? I mean, because the market opened, it went hell, it went all that. We've known since 9 a.m., we've known for half an hour that a clean break, that a break to the upside, price was gonna, right? And especially confirmation of breaking hour 60, it'll continue to 66, which is the right, which is the squeeze, right? So we've known since that clean break of 60. This is the what if, like that I've been talking to you about for the last 10 minutes. What if this thing goes the other way? Boom, right? All right. So we're gonna pulse it out, right? Because we know that this is a squeeze. So the an okay odds. Look at this unbelievable uptrend, right? But if we like it at 60, 61, then we love it at 66. Do we not, Mystique?
We sure do.
All righty then. Okay, so that's the short right there. Razor sharp entry, the squeeze 66. And now stop, break even, let it ride. Because everything that I've been telling you in terms of the overall market direction and the small wave is still there. It hasn't changed. So until I tell you to change hat, you do not change hat. You continue with the plan of today. Right?
Right.
That's it. Look at that. And remember what I told you, scalping. All righty? Look at that. 66, go to 63, 3 points in 3 seconds. That's pretty good. That's the main play. It's the break of 58. Boom! We saw that's the what if, right? Look at that. Look at it. It's beautiful. Okay? So what if? Always. Remember I was telling you about the Holy Grail, right? Hey, listen, we can have a whatever forecast, a big, complicated analysis, mumbo jumbo, right? We don't care about any of that. Why? Because we have to have every single angle covered. We know that a break of 58 is going to take it to 60. 60 is a confirmation that the main play is long, and we know it's going to go to 66. And look at it. Bang, boom, bing, 66, right? Main play is long right here, break of 58.60. We know it's going to go to 66. We give it a shot as a counter trend, right? Because we believe that this 66 is a bearish, a strong enough resistance that is worth to counter trend. And look at what happened. 2 ticks, right? And then it drops all the way to 63, 3 points, right? 2.5 points. And remember, not only we need to know where the market is, where the price is going, but how it's going to get there and why. All right. Okay. And we know the externals, all the other market conditions that make our strategy be very cautious, which is the position size. We're not going to put up with that, right? Until we see that the price intentions is to trend, and we don't see it yet, and we don't know if we're going to see it yet at all. In the meantime, we're sure that 66, expecting the price not to clean take 67, and a retracement all the way back to 60. So we're looking to make 6 points on this counter trend short 66. If it doesn't go, stop, break even, and then we need to see what was the other level, Mystique? 70? 70. All right. Okay. We know that we have another resistance right here at 70. All right. Okay. So in other words, at all times we want to know what our risk is, and the difference between a professional trader and all the teenagers on YouTube is that we're not gonna let the smart money shake us out, because we have direction, and direction is what, Mystique?
Kingdom.
Exactly. So we have direction. This is nothing but a squeeze, right? This is the exact definition of a squeeze. Look at it, right? And when do we have confirmation that 66 is actually a squeeze? Well, when the price completely, totally, two things. Number one, our entry short 66 is razor sharp. And number two, we want the price to continue all the way to where? To 60, all right? What is probably the price going to do today? Well, now, well, okay, it's going to give everybody a hard time right here. 60, 66, let's call it 67. Okay, so we said 67, right, Mystic?
Yes, we did.
Look at that. What is this?
67.5.
67.5, thank you. That's it. So they're shaking out all the teenagers on YouTube, all the millionaires, the big shot millionaires, all the girls on YouTube that all of a sudden are professional day traders. The market is shaking them out of their demo account because they have never in their entire life taken a real trade. Because when we have that confirmation, you know that a lot of amateurs were taken out, not you. All right? This is extremely important. So, why is it so important that we have confirmation that 66 is a squeeze? Well, because the main play is long, and make no mistake, the main play is still long. So, any shorts should be treated as such, as a counter trend. That 66, 67 that we took, price goes all the way to 62. Yeah, 5 point, no big deal. But remember what I told you. We are scalping, not shenanigans. And we are scalping against the main play, which is totally long. Therefore, we are expecting one of two things to happen now. Confirmation, right, that this was a squeeze, by the price going all the way to 60. If it doesn't go, then the main play that we're already on, then we are expecting a eventual break of the new high, 67.25, and take it all the way to 70. Right? Okay. All right. So it's not that we're gonna bring it up to 74. It is now a range, 70, 74. It's a 4-point range. With this volatility, you bet 4 points is okay. All right. Okay, not 60, but 54. This 54 right here. 54 is now a prime key level. A clean break of that 54, for the price to break it, it needs a lot of strength, and that's going to take it all the way to 48. We're not expecting that to be broken, though. Main play remains long. And look at the pullback off of our counter trend short, right? We want confirmation at 60. Look at that, 61. What's up, Mystic?
Do you have a hangover?
All right, Mystic. Correct me if I'm wrong, but is that 60 to the tick?
To the tick.
All right, so that's 6 points on the counter trend. Remember, a lot of weak traders, they went short 60. They didn't know about the squeeze. So they got taken, then adding to a loser. The second the price tests 60, they're going to get the hell out. Break even, make a couple of bucks. Those who added to a loser, for them it's a loser. For us, it's an opportunity. So what is that move all the way back to our level? Trading 101. Support become resistance, resistance become support. We know that the main play is still long. Pull back to 60 to the tick is what? Anybody? What is that pull back to 60? We know that the main play is long. And we have a pullback all the way to our 60. Trading 101. Support become resistance, resistance become support. So what do we do here? What do professional traders do right here at 60? What do they do? ¿Alguien contestó, Mystic?
Sí, Sean.
Add to a winner, Sean, or add to a winner, or establish a new position long. What's the target? What do you think the target is? Let's see if Sean answers. What's the target? What's the next target? Boom! 70. Thank you, sir. That's it. That's all there is to it. If you do exactly what I tell you every single day, you're going to be all of you are going to be outstanding traders. There is not one single day trader in the world that I've seen that can do what we do here, right? This type of trading, it doesn't exist. Only the millionaire teenagers, they are much better than all of us. So the important, extremely important thing to understand is even if you're not adding to a winner right here, hour 60, even though you know the odds are that it's going to go to 70 since right here, even if you're not adding to a winner or establishing a new position, you're just letting it ride. You're just letting ride your 3 units all the way to target 1, target 2, and target 3. Even if you're not at here, you know that now the price is going to go to 70. So you are comfortable letting your position ride. Mistake. Is that 70 to the tick?
To the tick.
And a little bit better?
A little bit better.
Okie dokie. Remember that now we have a 4-point range with this volatility. However, what do you think our levels of support and resistance are good for, right? Look at this. Look at 70. 70 half, 2 ticks, and look at the counter trend. Is it going to be another beautiful pullback that is going to give us from 70 to 66, 4 points, and break and go to 60? Well, you know, sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. Okay? But we're going to play it. What do we know? 74. We know 74 very well, do we not? All right? So I'll pick up where I left up. Even if you didn't add to a winner right here, 60, or establish a new position short, you know that your main play long has the odds of continue going up all the way to 74. So let it ride. Right? That's it. You don't have to counter trend if you don't want. That's 72 T, right? So 73, 74, 1 more point. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, that we moved it to 74, right? 74 is the high. Okay, that's 73, I believe. That's 73. All righty then. Be strong. Stop break even, you know, let it ride. Gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, I believe that's 74, right? Pretty good, right? We're going to pulse it out. Right? Why get out if we think it's going to go all the way to 80, right? All righty. Pulse it out. So in other words, 80. Okay, so 80 is the official target too. All righty? Okay.